Hello everyone, my name is Reptune the King, and welcome to an IRL video. That means in real life, right?
Yes.
Okay, and today I will be joined by some of my friends. We have the Chef Boyardee right here. What's your name?
Zach.
It's a terrible name. And we're joined by the law enforcement himself. What's your name? Get back over here. No, what are you?
Tonal Rumble Pack.
Well, there's
Today we'll be making cakes, and we'll be making cakes. We have time limits. None of us know how to make a cake at all. And we have two judges. If you guys want to say, you just yell your names.
Mandy!
Okay, I'm Julia. Yep.
Cool. And they'll be our judges. They'll be judging us on taste. No, if that's
Appearance.
that's taste, appearance, and 6. No, and consistency, and then the overall winner. So we can have individual winners and whatnot. Okay, so let's get started. Did I explain the rules already?
yes.
What?
No. You explain
Yeah, you did.
what the judges are gonna do. What they're testing.
Okay, so we're all gonna make a cake. Right, here you go. Here you go. You're gonna need more space. Okay, so none of us here know how to make a cake at all. Let me know if I'm good or not, by the way. Sweet. None of us know how to make a cake at all, and we're not allowed to look at any instructions, and none of us here have looked it up on our own time. They have immediate disqualification, and you will be hanged. No, okay, so I guess, do you guys want to have a timer, like maybe 15 minutes? And then I have to tell it to stop, and then we have to start baking? Is that
I don't know if that's enough for y'all. You can do it.
It's okay, don't, it's
I
fine.
feel like 15 minutes is too much. I mean, all you have to do is throw everything in a pan.
Okay, Randy, you forget, we don't know anything.
Oh, just let me know whenever you want.
Okay,
to
start.
We're ready, hit, go! Why did you get a knife? When chips, sorry, okay. When you have that, we like this, no one needs to see this. Oh, that's so far! Please.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah. We need milk.
Oh, you have the milk!
Hold on.
Helping each other.
Alright, get up for 5.
You know what, dude, that looks terrible. Ew, you know, this looks like a mountain of sugar. Thank you. What the hell are you making over here? Oh my gosh. Guys, I feel so bad for you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm scared.
I feel bad for you just hearing what y'all are saying.
Okay, you want here? I'll give you a look. This is what mine looks like.
Oh!
Oh my god.
We're gonna just
Problem.
mix everything well. That's my
We should
tip.
have signed a fucking waiver before this.
Too late. You can't sue me. You can sue him.
Actually, we can because we didn't sign a waiver.
Yeah, you can't.
We can sue you because we didn't sign a waiver.
He's like, well,
This is not a business.
You know you're my friend,
I
right?
can sue individuals.
Friends
not
don't
people.
sue friends.
Yeah, they do.
Shut up.
Ex-friends do.
I need the whisk.
No, you
Or
are.
a spoon.
Use your fingers. Use your fingers. You actually are. What's wrong with you? Magic. I didn't know. Does this look appetizing?
We see a pan.
I need more milk.
that doesn't look terrible.
No.
That looks way too chunky.
I use so much
So
That
wait,
doesn't look terrible though.
Yeah.
What?
It could be worse.
It could be a lot worse.
Thank you.
12 minutes.
Okay, cut that down. We only need less than 5.
Oh my
Um,
god.
What?
Flour.
Yes. Thank you.
you have 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay, so we got 1 minute left.
Okay.
1 minute left, guys. Okay.
This is great.
Please take your time.
No, we have 1 minute left.
You have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Which means that we have 30 seconds left.
Oh,
I mean, my batter's done.
Yours is done? Okay, mine's done too.
You guys look
Ready?
so great.
Count down from 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Oh!
3,
Hey, what the hell?
2, 1.
Pencil
Done.
down. Pencil down.
Nice.
You're still cleaning. What are you doing? Hands in the air. With your hands.
That was the fastest
Oh.
15 minutes of my life.
Okay. Now,
I created
we want
time.
you guys to come over here and see what's... Okay, Now this is Jamel's.
Sure.
What do you think?
Explain
Explain it.
It's very liquidy.
It's not even mixed.
Okay. Next one.
No, it's mostly mixed.
Mostly mixed.
Got that.
This is mine. This is the best one. Number 1.
Also a little liquidy, but not bad.
Okay. And Zach's.
I'm not.
Okay. What?
Preheat the oven.
Preheat
How-
the oven.
Okay, yeah, so funny. You don't even know how to make a cake.
Does anyone know
Hey,
how
this
to
is from
preheat
scratch,
an oven?
kid. Just turn this.
No, you can't. You guys can't help.
We're gonna broil it.
You don't know how to preheat.
Shut up.
Have you
Hey,
never
you know
used this oven?
Well, not the
The
oven.
most important.
Not for
thing.
the oven? What have
the
you
oven.
used the oven for?
It's gonna taste so bad.
Shut up. Oh. Okay. What is your name?
Julia.
Are you a judge?
I guess, yeah.
Okay. How do you feel about the situation right now?
Not great.
Why?
Not great. I'm not excited to eat these
Which one of the
Situation looks bleak.
cakes.
which cake do you think is the best? Jamel's, Reptune the King, which is obviously the winner, or Zach?
Honestly, at this point, they all look like disasters. So we will figure that out when we actually have to eat them. Because they all look pretty evenly not like cake right now.
Introduce yourself to the world.
Hi, I'm Mandy. The only thing I have to say about this is we should have signed a waiver.
So, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on the cake situation?
Bad.
I'm hurt.
Look very good. They're all pretty liquidy. And I'm not sure how that's gonna bake, but we'll see and eat it, I guess.
Between the 3, who do you think has the best chance of winning?
Well, Zach's has something that's like surely edible in it, which is strawberries. So when it bakes, I can probably pick those things out and eat them.
And then if the cakes taste bad, you'll know who the winner is. The strawberries, I think.
Oh, you're saying your cake's gonna be bad?
Yeah.
He knows.
Okay.
Welcome back from that commercial break, which was no commercials because I don't have any ads. But, okay, we have now put the cakes in the oven.
Cocktails.
No. Where's your hat?
Oh, not here.
You're wearing it.
Ah! Okay, go.
You're not wearing. Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna burn herself. Ah!
It's where it has like a lip.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
How long are we leaving it in there for? Shall we take a guesstimate? 15.
15.
15 and we'll check on it.
15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. We'll do a 15 minutes.
You really gonna run the...
He's really good. Oh.
All right, cool.
I was around this 15.
Jump off.
Yeah, I was really confused. Like, why?
Shh, you don't know that?
Oh my god!
Hold on.
They look horrified!
Hold on, we have to do something. Okay. Now that you saw the cakes, what are your thoughts on it?
They look worse than they did before they were cooked. So, not great. My thoughts are not in happy places right
I
now.
feel personally attacked.
Where's the trash? Yeah, they look really bad. That's all I have to say. I just wanted to eat an edible thing.
I'm gonna flip this over. Oh god, I'm gonna burn myself. Oh no, don't look at it. That is burned.
Why don't you just put it on that thing?
Nah. Woo! Alright.
Alright.
Jack, your turn.
Look
That
at
one doesn't look
view.
awful.
It looks kind of gray though.
Kind of.
Jamel?
Here's the cup.
Actually, it does look awful. I changed my mind.
Look at that like hole in the center. It looks like something bled through it.
I think it did. Okay.
Oh, that feels
No.
so
Oh, I don't like the consistency.
Let's flip it over.
Oh god.
You know what?
Oh god.
It looks like a big piece of French toast.
You know, for all the stuff that you guys were saying, I think mine came out the best.
It
No.
looks burnt.
It looks very burned.
Does this look better?
Yes.
None of them look particularly good to me, Robert.
Are we recording?
Yep.
Ready?
We've been recording.
3.
Oh.
Yeah, you're behind.
Wait, I haven't started the timer.
You're cheating!
I was starting the timer.
Go! Are we starting?
Yeah, go.
Oh, shoot, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't mess the sprinkles.
Okay,
Oh.
okay.
Oh, he's swirling it over there, DC.
Yeah, look at this. I'm being fancy. Hell
Oh,
yeah. Now it
that-
looks, okay, now it looks bad. Never mind. Don't
that-
look at me. Don't look at it too closely.
Turn away. Look away.
Look at what?
Plenty. I'm done.
How much time we got? How much time we got?
They look like big pieces of bread, honestly, now.
Okay. Allie, ready? Okay, it looks like we're done.
10,
Uh-huh.
9,
Oh.
8,
Oh.
7, 6, 5, 4,
That didn't go as well as
3, 2, 1,
Hands in the air.
stop.
Okay, okay. So now,
So your choice is to leave the spoon on there, huh?
you can't move it.
You gotta eat.
Okay. Okay, you gotta eat the spoon.
My
Okay.
favorite part.
So now we will, I guess if one of you will hold the camera,
you-
and then we get to explain what we are saying about this. Okay, so Jamel gets to go first. So judges, would you come over here? Actually,
So this is Zach's cake. I actually really like this one. It's the presentation. Because I like chocolate.
Oh.
That's the only reason.
All right.
okay.
See, we have a winner here.
And it has sprinkles.
Yeah. This one looks pretty okay.
All right, I'll take it.
That's it. All right, now Jamel's.
That looks awful. Okay, the cake itself is just super, super bumpy. And he definitely did not put effort into the way he iced it. He left the spoon on it. Like,
To be fair, he was half asleep.
also, all the bird parts are very visible, which just makes it look even worse.
Okay, okay, this sounds good. This is good news.
Not my favorite.
It looks pretty. I'm neutral about this one, appearance-wise, just because I think it's funny.
That one honestly is a pretty shaped cake, so that's nice. He did something weird with the frosting though,
Ha!
but I mean it's not bad. It's interesting.
Okay, allow me to explain my design. I was inspired by the French artist,
There's that BS.
Frenchy boy. He used a lot of colors.
Frenchy boy?
Frenchy boy.
She said toasty.
Toasty boy. That's his nickname. So that's what I was going for. And I was going for a little bit of happiness and healthiness all together.
Where's the healthy?
The
There's
strawberries.
strawberries on all of them.
Hey, but does your cake have strawberries inside?
My favorite is Zach's.
Yeah.
My favorite to look at is actually Robert's.
Woo!
Oh.
Yay!
And my least favorite, sorry.
I think this has character.
Ready?
On 8 tip.
It's terrible.
Is it bad?
It's missing stuff, right?
Oh
We
yeah.
forgot the butter.
Forgot better.
The only flavor I taste is frosting.
Okay,
It
okay.
tastes like
It's a weird texture. It feels like,
Like
an
oatmeal.
uncooked texture.
It
Oatmeal.
tastes like oatmeal. Clink.
This cake texture is worse.
All right, need more milk.
Matthew, you okay? Do you want the trash can?
This is a better quality cake.
Wow.
I don't know what it is about this one that's better, but it is better.
Made by me.
There's something off. Just I can't place, but it's very off about this.
Yeah. Oh Jesus, why does it look like this?
It's supposed to.
Ready?
No.
No? Okay,
I'm
go.
not.
Let's do this.
This cake makes me sad.
No flavor. But burned.
The burned flavor. All right, Robert. What have you got to say about your cake?
You're lying.
All right, his ego's about to be shattered.
It was already shattered.
Oh.
So, Robert said the best consistency, but the worst flavor.
Yeah.
Wait.
Looks. I like the way it looked. It looked like it had chocolate sprinkles. Consistency. It had pockets of air.
Lots of them.
Yeah, a
Who
lot.
doesn't love to eat air though?
Low calories.
What was the other thing?
It
Taste?
didn't taste good either.
It didn't really taste good. It tastes like.
It didn't taste bad like Robert's, but
Yeah, I agree.
So Jamel is the winner.
You get a cone.
Hooray!
Congratulations, you get a cone.
Wait, is he the winner of the taste
Of
section?
taste, yeah. Wait, so nobody won
So
the
what?
appearance because we voted. I voted for Roberts and Mandy voted for Zach, so they tied for.
All right, rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, yeah, rock, paper, scissors, who wins?
Okay,
Good.
let's do this. Ready?
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wow.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wow.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So Robert wins that one.
Hey, best 2 out of 3.
And then, so
What's the third category?
well, consistency.
Honestly, that feels more like a normal cake. So for me, that wins for consistency and taste.
Yeah.
And again, the loser is Robert because it's like uniform, but that's not a cake consistency.
It reminds me of like.
So who won? Who is the winner of this cake-off?
So is it like whoever won the most categories?
Sure. And which one is the best one in your guys' opinion? Which one could, if you had to finish eating one all the way, which one would it be?
Jamel's.
Jamil, you win.
Hey, you got a speech. Speech.
Follow me on YouTube at Tonal Rumble Pack.
I mean, I was gonna shout you out anyways, but
I'm a much better cook than this cake competition says.
okay.
I just need to prepare beforehand.
All right.
Mandy. Why? Okay, it's running.
Thank you all for watching. This was Make a Cake Challenge in IRL, in real life. I always gotta remember that. I obviously was the winner. And yeah, so we'll see you all in the next episode. Did you have anything to say? Did you have anything to say?
This is no more spontaneous cake making.
And see you on the next episode. Bye bye.